Want to draw this Pioneer wagon with real perspective and depth? I'll walk you through it step by step, using pencil, a ruler, and simple shapes. Let's start our perspective drawing with a horizon line, and we can put a dot or a small X on the right-hand side for a vanishing point. Then we will draw two rectangles on top of each other with a set of legs. Next, if you want, use a ruler and connect it to the vanishing point and bottom corner of our rectangle, and then the middle line and the top line. Let's draw a vertical line down to the ground, and we will connect our front leg to the vanishing point and the other front leg. This will help with our wheels later on. Now we're going to draw two squares, one in the back and one in the front. These will be our wheels, and then we're going to go corner to corner and make an X. We're going to do that on all our wheels. Now in the corners of our squares, let's put a line approximately 45 degrees on both our wheels, and this will help us draw our circle in perspective to represent the wheels. By doing that kitty corner trick, it pretty much draws it for us. Now we're going to draw a pretend line going across the other side to kind of make a square on the opposite side. Now it's not a full square because we can't see it because of the wagon, but the bottom half will be treated just like a half a square. Now we will draw the footrest for our Pioneer wagon. Now let's draw a circle inside our outer circle to give it a rim look. We'll do that on all three wheels. Now we're going to draw the part of the outside of the wagon wheel that we can see. Now it's only a half a side, and then we'll do it on the inside. And we'll do that the same way on all three wheels. Now we're going to do the same thing on the inside of our wheels with a small square to give us the rim. Use the kitty corner trick, and you can draw your circles all the way around, and it puts it at the same angle at the front of the wagon. Let's sketch in the tongue for the horses to haul it. Now we can start with the arches, the wooden arches that hold the Pioneer wagon's canopy. We're going to draw one. We're going to use our guide to connect it to the vanishing point. That'll give us the height for the rest of them. Now let's take and sketch in a basic triangle for a tree, and we'll take that and connect it to the vanishing point to give us the height of the rest of our trees. Let's erase our horizon line that's inside the trees and inside our wagon. Let's add some thickness to the tongue that hauls our wagon. I am going to erase the tree that's in behind the wagon. It makes it look too behind it, and I'll move it behind the canopy. Now we can add in some rolling hills behind our wagon. We can start sketching in the seat. At the end of our wagon, we will put some boards to give our footrest some support. Let's add some thickness to our canopy poles. These are logs, so we're going to try and make them look round. Now we're going to work on the spindles of our wagon wheels. The back side of them will get little dots to connect to. The front ones you can't see. Now the front part of the rim, we'll put the dots to the other ones because that's the side you can see. And a little square in the center to represent the nut that holds the wheel on. Now we're going to do some shading and finishing detail to give it some depth and some realistic look. Add in some wood grain. A little knot between the boards to make it look authentic. Now at the canopy, we're going to do these little dots and connect lines to it to make it look like the fabric is stretched. We'll add in some wood grain on our tongue. Start shading that. Keep it darker towards the bottom. Give it a more round, realistic look. Now we can start by doing our tree. Use a blending stump for the poles that go up over the canopy. It'll make them look like they're under the fabric. And add some shading on the inside of our canopy. Let's darken the outside of our seat. And we're going to give it some line to make it look like it's three-dimensional. Some shading on our fabric for our canopy. And then we'll start with the rolling hills. And some tracks for our wagon. And you gotta have some shading underneath the wagon. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, keep it real and draw what inspires you.